In the heart of Nairobi's bustling Maasai market, the air buzzed with chatter, bartering, and the aroma of street food. Among the crowd was Amina, a cheerful fruit vendor known for her generosity, though her business barely sustained her. Across from her stall sat Brian, a blind street performer with a weathered guitar, playing soulful tunes that drew passing crowds. Not far away, Zawadi, a deaf artisan, displayed her intricate beadwork, her hands weaving colors into mesmerizing patterns. Finally, there was Kofi, a restless traveler from Ghana, wandering the market in search of meaning and connection on his journey across Africa. One day, dark clouds loomed over the market, and a sudden downpour scattered the crowd. Amina, always quick to act, pulled Brian into her stall to shield him from the rain. "Don't worry," she said softly, though she knew he couldn't see her smile. She handed him a cup of hot chai, her act of kindness unnoticed by the drenched passers-by. Meanwhile, Kofi found himself drawn to Zawadi's stall, mesmerized by the way her hands told stories through beads. "These are beautiful," he said loudly, assuming she could hear him. When she didn't respond, he tapped her shoulder awkwardly. Startled but understanding, Zawadi gestured for him to write what he wanted to say. As he scribbled his admiration, she grinned and handed him a bracelet, her way of saying, "Kindness needs no words." As the rain subsided, Kofi wandered toward Amina's stall. Seeing Brian's guitar, he asked if he could play a tune. "I haven't played in years," Kofi said wistfully. But as he strummed, Brian frowned. "That's out of tune," he said sharply. Kofi, taken aback, retorted, "And how would you know?" The tension was palpable. Amina intervened, gently reminding them, kindness starts with patience. Zawadi, observing from her stall, approached with a notepad. She wrote, "Music isn't just for the ears, it's for the soul. Let's listen to each other." Her words, though silent, spoke volumes. Over the next few hours, the four strangers bonded. Amina shared mango slices as Zawadi showed Brian how to see her beadwork through touch. Kofi, inspired by their resilience, shared stories of his travels, weaving tales of kindness he had witnessed across Africa. Together, they decided to perform an impromptu show. Brian played his guitar, Zawadi crafted a vibrant backdrop, Amina handed out fruit, and Kofi narrated their story to the gathering crowd. Word spread through the market, and soon, a large group had gathered. Their collaboration reminded everyone that kindness could break barriers of sight, sound, and language. The market, once just a chaotic hub, became a space of unity and shared humanity. By the end of the day, the four realized they had more in common than they thought. They promised to continue their newfound friendship, vowing to spread kindness wherever they went. The market's vendors and visitors left inspired, carrying the lesson forward in their lives. Moral: acts of kindness, no matter how small, can bridge gaps and create connections that words alone cannot. As the African adage goes, kindness is a language which the blind can see and the deaf can hear. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.